Hey guys, today I'm gonna unbox my new Coach Win small wallet with all you guys, so let's do it. This is a review plus an unbox video for my new wallet. So this is how I received it. Unfortunately, it did not come in a box even though it's a luxury product. I got this for a 20% off. The original MRP is 12,500 and talking about the quality of the wallet, it's a mix of signature canvas and pure leather. The tic tac button is very sturdy. You guys can see me struggle with it, but I love the fabric of this wallet and also how it feels in my hands. It's so soft and so smooth. I just wish it came with a Coach box because it's a luxury product. And you can see inside it has 7 credit card slots in total, and it has one larger bill compartment. You can see the Coach sign embossed all over the wallet. And I'm just going to take off all the packaging because I haven't unboxed it yet. You can see the bill compartment is quite huge, but it's a very nice compact wallet, which is why I got this for myself. Now I'm going to show you guys. This comes with a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase. This is the barcode and the name of the wallet if you guys are looking to buy it. So this is how it looks. It has all over Coach signature new sign and the horse carriage, which is the Coach logo. And inside is just like a brown nice leather. The zip at the back for the coin compartment is very smooth, as you guys can see, and you can put in a few coins that you have. Also, I'm just going to show you guys how once I put in all my things inside this, it looks, and the compartments are quite a lot and it fits in a lot of cards, which is why I went for this wallet. I'm going to show you guys my older wallet. So this is a card wallet from Victoria's Secret, which I used to use since the past 1 year or so now. But it is very small for me and I'm not able to carry any cash, which is why I upgraded to this Coach Win wallet. Now you guys can see I have filled in all my cards. So this is where I have kept in my main driving license, which is my identity proof. And inside I've put in all my cards. And this is where I've put in all my debit, credits, and my Starbucks card and all of it. In the inside zip where I just showed you, I have put in one more card inside. And since I don't carry any cash with me after COVID, I use UPI and my cards mostly. So I just have this 100 rupee note. The coin compartment, neither do I have any coins, but I have kept this coin that my mother gave me, which has Lord Shiva on it. This is how this wallet looks. It's not bulky. Also, the button is very firm and it was so easy to just tuck it in after putting in all my. Also, I just want to show you guys how sturdy the stitching is, and it's a trifold wallet which is so easy to use and fits in all my products.